Most people panic the moment they see invalid code on Steam. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the gift card is not actually broken. It's either entered incorrectly, not activated, or blocked by region rules. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix Steam gift card invalid code errors in 2026, step by step, and finally redeem your balance without frustration. Let's start with the fastest fix. First, double-check your code entry. This sounds simple, but this is where most people fail. A single wrong character can trigger the invalid error. Look closely at similar letters like O and 0, or B and 8. If Alex is typing too fast from a scratched card, mistakes happen easily. Re-enter the code slowly and carefully. Now here's where it gets interesting. If the code still shows invalid, the issue may not be you at all. It may be a formatting problem. Steam gift card code should be entered without spaces or dashes. Remove everything and type it in one clean line. Next, check if the card is actually activated. This is a very common issue in physical stores. John might buy a card, but if the cashier did not activate it properly at checkout, Steam will reject it as invalid. Always check your purchase receipt or ask the store to confirm activation. But here's the problem many users don't know. Steam gift cards are often region locked. If your account is set to a different country than the card's region, the system will block it. For example, a US Steam card will not work on an Indian account. In this case, no amount of retyping will fix it. Now, let's move to another important step. Make sure you are logged into the correct Steam account. Many users have multiple accounts, and Jake might accidentally try redeeming on a secondary profile with a different region or wallet status. If everything looks correct and it still says invalid, try this simple reset step. Log out of Steam completely, restart your device, and log back in. Then, try redeeming again. This clears temporary session bugs that sometimes interfere with wallet validation. And here's a final tip most people miss. Avoid using VPNs while redeeming your Steam card. VPNs can confuse Steam's security system and cause false invalid errors. If nothing works, your last option is Steam support. Provide a clear photo of the card and receipt. If the card is valid, they can manually verify and help recover the balance. So to summarize, Steam gift card invalid errors usually come from typing mistakes, unactivated cards, region mismatch, or session issues. Once you fix these, redemption works smoothly. If this helped you fix your issue, leave a comment with your error message, like the video, and subscribe for more simple Steam troubleshooting guides.